Polygon modeling is a cornerstone technique in the world of three-dimensional computer graphics. It is the primary method for creating a wide variety of digital objects, from characters and creatures to environments and props. This technique is used in films, video games, animation, architectural visualization, and product design. At its core, polygon modeling involves manipulating polygons to shape and sculpt three-dimensional forms. Polygon modeling provides a high level of control over the shape and structure of three-dimensional objects. It's a versatile technique that allows for intricate detailing and realistic surface representation. Whether you're aiming to craft a hyper-realistic character for a film or a low-polygon model for a game, understanding polygon modeling is essential for any aspiring three-dimensional artist. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into the fundamentals of polygon modeling, exploring its core concepts, essential techniques, and best practices. We'll equip you with the knowledge to confidently navigate the world of three-dimensional modeling. Get ready to unleash your creativity and bring your digital visions to life. In the realm of three-dimensional graphics, everything you see on screen, from the sleek curves of a sports car to the intricate details of a character's face, is constructed using polygons. But what exactly are polygons, and how do they form the building blocks of the digital world? A polygon, in its simplest form, is a two-dimensional shape formed by connecting three or more straight lines. Think of a triangle, a square, or a pentagon. These are all examples of polygons. In three-dimensional modeling, these two-dimensional shapes are used as the fundamental building blocks to create three-dimensional objects. Imagine constructing a house. You wouldn't attempt to build it from a single amorphous blob of material. Instead, you would use individual bricks to meticulously piece together its walls, roof, and foundation. Similarly, polygons act as the digital bricks in three-dimensional modeling, assembling to form the intricate shapes and surfaces of virtual objects. By arranging, connecting, and manipulating these polygons, three-dimensional artists can create objects of any complexity and detail. From the broad strokes of a model's overall silhouette to the minute details of its surface texture, it all boils down to the strategic arrangement of these fundamental building blocks. With a firm grasp on the concept of polygons as the building blocks of three-dimensional models, we can now delve into the essential techniques that breathe life into these digital creations. These techniques are the core maneuvers in a three-dimensional artist's toolkit, enabling them to mold and shape polygons into the desired forms. One fundamental technique is extrusion. Picture selecting a face of a cube and pulling it outwards. This action creates new polygons, effectively extruding the shape. Extrusion is invaluable for adding depth and complexity to a model, transforming simple shapes into more intricate forms. Loop cutting is another crucial technique that allows for the addition of edges and consequently more polygons to a model. Imagine taking a knife and slicing through a piece of clay. That's essentially what loop cutting does, allowing for the creation of finer details and smoother curves. Edge loops are these strategically placed rings of edges that flow around the model, providing structure and control over the shape's deformation. Vertex editing, on the other hand, offers granular control over the model's shape. Vertices are the points where edges meet. By selecting and moving individual vertices, artists can fine-tune the contours and curves of a model, achieving precise results. Navigating the world of polygon modeling requires familiarity with a set of essential tools. These digital instruments empower artists to select, manipulate, and refine polygons with precision, bringing their creative visions to life within the virtual realm. At the heart of this toolkit lie selection tools, enabling artists to isolate specific elements of their models. The vertex, edge, and face tools allow for the precise selection of individual components. With these tools, artists can hone in on specific areas of their models for targeted adjustments. The extrude tool, as mentioned earlier, plays a pivotal role in adding depth and complexity to models. It allows artists to pull out faces, creating new geometry and expanding the form. This tool is instrumental in shaping everything from the walls of a building to the limbs of a character. The loop cut tool, another essential instrument, enables the addition of edge loops. These strategically placed loops provide structure and control over the model's deformation, ensuring smooth curves and realistic movements. Think of it as adding support beams to a structure, ensuring its stability and integrity. Section 5. Best practices for pristine polygon models. In the pursuit of creating exceptional three-dimensional models, adhering to best practices can make all the difference. These guidelines, honed through years of experience and shared wisdom within the three-dimensional art community, serve as guiding principles for crafting clean, efficient, and visually appealing models. One cardinal rule is to keep it simple. While it may be tempting to go overboard with polygon count, striving for simplicity in the early stages of modeling can save headaches down the line. Start with basic shapes and gradually add complexity, ensuring a clean and manageable topology. Reference images are a modeler's best friend. Using real-world images as guides ensures that proportions are accurate and details are faithful to the intended design. Whether you're modeling a human face, a car engine, or a blade of grass, reference images provide invaluable visual anchors. Working with quads, polygons with four sides, is another crucial best practice. Quads subdivide predictably and deform smoothly, making them ideal for animation and organic modeling. Avoid n-gons, polygons with 5 or more sides, as they can lead to rendering artifacts and modeling headaches. Section 6. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. The path to polygon modeling mastery is not without its share of potential pitfalls. These common mistakes can trip up even seasoned artists, leading to visual glitches, modeling difficulties, and frustration. However, by being aware of these potential hazards, you can navigate around them and ensure a smoother modeling experience. One frequent stumbling block is creating non-planar polygons. Imagine a square with one corner poking out in a different direction. That's a non-planar polygon. These warped shapes can wreak havoc on shading and rendering, resulting in unsightly artifacts. Always strive for flat, planar polygons for predictable results. Overlapping polygons are another common issue. This occurs when 2 or more polygons occupy the same space, creating a tangled mess that can confuse the software and lead to rendering errors. Keep your polygons tidy and ensure they don't overlap to maintain a clean mesh. Incorrect smoothing groups can result in unintended faceting or sharp edges on curved surfaces. Smoothing groups tell the software which faces should be smoothed together, ensuring seamless transitions. Pay attention to smoothing groups to achieve the desired level of smoothness in your models. Section 7. Recommended software for polygon modeling. Embarking on your polygon modeling journey requires choosing the right software, your digital sculpting toolkit. Thankfully, there are several industry-leading options available, each with its own strengths and quirks. The best choice for you will depend on your specific needs, budget, and platform preference. Blender, a free and open-source powerhouse, is a fantastic option for both beginners and seasoned professionals. Its comprehensive feature set, active community, and cross-platform compatibility make it a versatile choice. For industry-standard workflows, Autodesk Maya reigns supreme. Its robust toolset, extensive plugin ecosystem, and widespread adoption in film and game development make it a top contender. 3D Max, another Autodesk offering, is renowned for its architectural visualization capabilities. Its user-friendly interface, powerful modeling tools, and vast library of pre-built assets make it a favorite among architects and interior designers. Cinema 4D, developed by Maxon, is a popular choice for motion graphics and visualization. Its intuitive interface, procedural workflows, and strong emphasis on animation and rendering make it a go-to for creating stunning visuals. Section 8. Conclusion: the power of polygon modeling mastery. As we've explored throughout this journey into the world of polygon modeling, this fundamental three-dimensional art technique stands as the cornerstone of countless digital creations. From the captivating characters in our favorite films to the immersive environments in video games, polygon modeling underpins the visual tapestry of the digital age. By mastering the essential techniques, understanding the nuances of polygon manipulation, and adhering to best practices, you hold the power to sculpt and shape your own digital dreams. Embrace the tools at your disposal, experiment fearlessly, and never stop learning. Remember, the journey of 1,000 polygons begins with a single vertex. So, Take the first step, unleash your creativity, and watch as your digital visions take form, one polygon at a time. The world of three-dimensional art awaits your unique perspective and artistic contributions.